इनकलाब एक नारा नहीं, एक निर्णय था. Project Inqilab, a name that echoed not from history textbooks but from within. I am Uddhav, and we, Param, Anamya, and I had no idea this journey would rewrite how we define change. We weren't change makers with badges. We were students walking into classrooms with nothing but questions and courage. So we began not by speaking but by listening. We held orientations inside our own school. We are students. What does leadership mean to you? The silence that followed was our first lesson. Yatra narestyu pujante ramante tatra devta. Where women are respected, the divine resides. And yet we heard stories of voices being dismissed, not because they were wrong, but because they were unheard.
I am Anamya, and for me, Inqilab meant capturing emotions in form and thought. That's why we created a manifesto. Not as a rule book, but as a mirror to reflect what students really wanted, to lead, to question, to belong. And we knew real revolutions aren't loud, they are layered. So we started a podcast, Voices of Inqilab, not to talk at people, but to talk with them, where students shared what they never dared to ask before. We didn't interrupt, we didn't filter, we just listened. विचारों की क्रांति सबसे गहरी क्रांति होती है. The revolution of thought is the deepest of all. And to immortalize all this, we painted our artwork. Simple, symbolic. It was our tribute to the circularity of economy.
I am Param, and if there's one thing I learned from the journey, it's that change doesn't always wear a suit. Sometimes it wears a uniform. Sometimes it holds a basketball instead of a mic. In one class, a boy told me, I thought leadership was only for toppers. That one sentence was everything we wanted to change. We encouraged quiet kids to speak up. We asked girls to lead hurdles. We asked boys to reflect, not to dominate. We didn't start a campaign, we created conversation. And when we saw our classmates think differently, that's when we knew we did something. Karam karo, fal ki chinta mat karo. Do the work, leave the rest. Because the real impact that lies in what continues after we leave.
We entered Project Inqilab as students, but we are leaving as something else. Listeners, learners, and leaders. Not that kind that sits in front of classrooms, but the kind who sit beside people and ask, what do you feel? This project wasn't perfect, but it was real. It wasn't glamorous, but it was honest. And it wasn't just about what we did. It was about what we unlearned. जो बदल सके वो विचार है, जो बदल दे वही इनकलाब है. That which evolves is thought, that which transforms is revolution.